It's a big day for young Dane Haubenschild. In a few hours, this excited 5-year-old will show his cow Molly at the District Holstein Show.
The real question will be how Dane does with the calf, because the calf has not been shown. We practice, and 2 days ago the calf ran off on him, so we'll see how it goes. So hopefully all will go well. He's excited. It's his first showing.
The love of cows begins early on the Haubenschild farm. And it all starts with dairyman Bryan Haubenschild.
Bryan has two passions in life, his cows and his family. If there's a cow that's not feeling well, if he gets a call in the middle of the night or any time of day, he goes down and he checks out a cow. He has got a passion for those cows, their health, their happiness, their comfort. And you know, in general, he's a very caring person, and if you're not a caring person, you're not going to have happy animals. His priority is happy, healthy, comfortable animals.
Bryan Haubenschild wasn't always a dairyman. He tried doing something else, but it didn't take.
I did work out for 2 years at a feed store, feed mill. I was a nutritionist for a feed dealership in Albany, Minnesota. Figured all I thought about was farming when I was there. I might as well go home and do it.
The Haubenschild Dairy Farm is a 1,000-head operation, which means it has to be run as an efficient business in order to survive. With that many cattle, you wouldn't think that a farmer could know, much less care about every single one. But for Bryan, it's second nature.
First of all, it's economics. We can't make money if the cows aren't comfortable. So we try to provide as much comfort as far as a dry, clean spot for them to lay down, as much water and feed as they can eat, and on the extremes on the weather, when it's hot, we're trying to keep the atmosphere cool for them. We'll sprinkle them in the holding pen with some cold water, and when they come out into the freestyle barns, there's blowers. We got fans going on them. I do know a large share of them. Yeah, you know, if you have a problem with a cow, you just hate to see them hurting or whatever. But on the other side, when you look out and you see them happy and good, up and eating and chewing their cud, you know you're doing a good thing.
Another key ingredient in keeping his herd comfortable and productive is cow health. And for that, Bryan turns to veterinarian Dr. John Youngherg.
How the girls taking the heat? Every Monday we're down at the Haubenschild Farm going through our weekly herd check, and that usually is based upon the reproductive checks. And then while we're doing the reproductive checks, we're usually talking about foot and leg care, we're talking about mastitis control, we're talking about other nutrition issues. We're on a very, very disciplined vaccination program to prevent those especially viral diseases.
What I need a lollipop to give her now too, right?
Providing comfort for the animals is the utmost important as far as just production of milk. The more comfortable the animal is, the more milk you're going to get. So it's a real high level of importance.
Like I said before, it'd be tough to be a dairyman without a good relationship with your vet. He's probably one of your lead consultants.
I enjoy my work. I enjoy getting out and meeting people on the farm, meeting different people involved with their operation, and trying to be part of the production team to produce a good quality product coming from the farm to the consumer. And yeah, I do enjoy my work. Very, very proud of it.
Yeah, Doc's taught me a lot. Every day you pick up something, and if there isn't much going on the cow side, we can talk baseball or we'll talk fishing. So he's a good friend besides.
Veterinarian Mary Olson has seen Dr. Youngherg work with the Haubenschields for over 10 years.
I have the opportunity to watch a very, very solid relationship between the Haubenschild family farm and Dr. Youngherg and the Mille Lacs Veterinary Clinic. And to me, they are the epitome of what we hope most farm veterinarian relationships are like. Both men have many personal similarities as far as how they handle their animals. They're both very quiet people. The animals are always handled in a very quiet manner, and they enjoy their work, they enjoy being with each other, and yet the common goal is the cows before them, that what needs to be done is done for the cows.
The cows are getting the royal treatment at the District 7 East Central Holstein Show, and Dane Haubenschild is too.
All right, oh, perfect.
When the eldest son of a family this passionate about dairy farming shows his first calf, it's a big day. Dane's a little nervous, but with the help of his dad, and with Mom and Grandma and Grandpa looking on, he and Molly make a good showing. After the show, he claims his prize, his first ribbon. Dad gets a slap on the hand, and Mom gets, well, what every mom wants. A big hug. And the pride of knowing the next generation of Haubenschields is beginning to understand what it means to care for their cows.